Hello, here is Hao. I'm a market researcher with 10 years experience at the agency side, and also entrepreneur, manage my own research company based in China, Shanghai. And also, we are the early adopter of how to use GPT for research project and made a lot of sharing to a lot of different companies. Today, we'll show you how we're thinking how the AI GPT means for the business growth. At first, a quick question is really about will AI take of human? Like this post from New York, where in the future, all the robots will do the shopping and the working, and the human are only do the begging. I really like the code from ChatGPT. It says, AI will not replace you, a person who's using AI will replace you. This is the framework we're discussing how AI's impact on brand growth. The first about hindsight, to really look back. So what existing available tools available in the market help us to understand consumer. And second about insight, to look forward what the AI and ChatGPT means for inside industry. And third, foresight, really to understand what should we do. Today's sharing is a very top level summary of 10 minutes and the actual sharing will last 2 hours for the offline. The first, how the digital and AI tools means for insight. We summarize 9 tools covered from strategic tactic from the whole brand growth process, from where to play to innovation, communication, and post-launch. Some tools are China-specific, some tools are for international use. And due to the time limitation, we will show you one example to understand how that means for the insight. This is an example to help understand what's the shopping experience for the consumer. Previously, we need to do the offline shopping or do offline observing about how consumer make the shopping. And the benefit from the digital tools, we can redo this simulated environment on the online. It creates a mimic EC environment with this search result page, and each product can be clicked into the detail page. In the detail page, the consumer and respondent can make the choice, make the purchase or not. So through this process, we capture all the behavior data from click and purchase, make that to judge product performance. Not only the e-commerce, we can also apply this similar technology to different offline stores, like clothes stores, department stores, a lot of different stores. Using this, we can evaluate the 4 Ps, like product, price, promotion, and even store design in a much cheaper way and in a much more easy to roll out way to using the insight. So that's what we see hence already happened. The digital and AI tools means for the insight industry. And one step further, through this year, we also launched a new solution. Rather than simulated testing, we launch a live testing. We can place your product into a convenience store for 1 month. Then you can use the real sales performance data to judge your product performance. Let's move to the second part, insight, how ChatGPT and AI means for the market research industry. Let's look at some data. The first from the OpenAI, it says 80% of the workforce will be influenced by GPT, but it's not linear. The more you are exposed to the website, the more you are exposed to the computer, the more you are going to be influenced by the GPT. And also a survey from Qualtrics to interview around 200 market researchers. 93% regard AI as an opportunity, 50% regarded more training to protect the jobs. And also, we are seeing 20% of the market researchers are considering leaving the industry. So given that, generative AI like ChatGPT will really break the impossible 3, which is the quality, speed, and price across 4 levels into inside industry. From chat, content, office work, and human-machine interaction. We will go through them one by one. The first is a chat, also is the easiest way for everyone to use. You can use it for translator. GPT is the best translator you can use in the market. It can help you localize your survey, localize your feedback into different countries quickly. And also, one step further, like the Inca did, we can use it for the chat survey. It can help us to interview a consumer in a more engaging and conversational way. And second, if we use it for the creator, you can use it to generate AI, to generate content in say the AIGC. you can see the change the way how we think when we need to generate a copy, generate a design, generate a video, or even generate live streaming. These AI tools can make the content generation into a massive, cheaper, and faster way. And third is really about how to change the way of working of our daily work. Here, I took an example for innovation and incubation process. We using the GPT and other AI tools can help us from the pre-launch, launch, and post-launch the whole stages, from learner trend, designer survey, discussion guide, co-create concept, and also analysis the data. Due to time limitation, I will give one example of a real business case. There's one China company that uses AI to do the code creation. The first, it asks ChatGPT about what's the pain points, what's the opportunity in one for specific category. And after that, the human will take it in charge to make the judgment, to synergy the information, and using other source of data to make the choice. Then they will launch a product and with a quick A/B testing to finalize the product. The last way is really about the human-machine interaction, like this tool called Chat-PDF. You can upload a PDF and ask questions to summarize the key learnings from PDF. Then these tools will help you summarize it. So given that, they can save the significant time and effort we are doing for this kind of PDF reading. It is similar as the Microsoft Copilot will do the similar thing to change the way how we interact with the human, with the machine. Having seen a lot of these changes, what should we do? What could we do? At the AI age, the one-man business will come true. Like this guy, Jackson, it gave the prompt GPT-4. It said, I give $100, help me to create a business and earn as much of the money as possible. So GPT-4 just helps this guy design a website, write content, and launch an advertisement on social media. And once the website launched, this guy received more than 1,000 investment. And this company valued more than 20K the company in the market. This maybe is not true for everyone, but we can see how it's changing how we think about the business. So what should we do? The first, we really try to learn how to use the AI. You can go to the website to watch the videos, and then you can try to use it in the daily work, in the daily life. And then the third step is to redesign the workflow, integrate into your work. And of course, when you use it, we need to use it for good. We need to consider data privacy. When you use considering transparency and fairness when you use the AI. This example when how it changing the way of working. Firstly, when we think about how we quickly understand the chicken market in China, first we go to the Bing search. They can summarize the key search result for us, so we can understand the key facts. And we always can go to the desk research, search the desk research report. And also, one step further, we can use GPT to generate hypothesis. We can directly ask ChatGPT, tell me the 5W1H of how consume chicken in China. Given that, we have not only the facts, but also a lot of hypotheses to understand this category, and we can bring it into discussion with the client and to have more understanding of this category. Just recap this framework for Hindsight, Insight, and Foresight will cover how we're thinking the AI and ChatGPT will do for the business, do for market research for ourselves. A few advertisements of our company in the HaoLifeLab, and we use digital AI tools to conduct market research projects, and we're working with international companies, but also the small to size brand and local brand. We really help you to find a agile and cost-effective way to understand market and understand consumer. And we are also the recognized speaker and consultant to discuss how AI and GPT to drive the business growth. We are more than happy to deliver free sharing to a company to help you understand how it means for a business. So this is for my sharing, and this is my contact info. You can, if you have any question or if you want to know more, feel free to contact me, drop me an email or contact me from LinkedIn or from mobile. Any questions, feel free to let me know.